Somebody just is coming up to the house now every time someone comes through that stupid ass parking lot. Where did that guy even come from? Does he even live over here? Guess it doesn't matter. No one else is using this space. Someone's got to.
You should have been able to go over there. They up in the air, that blocked off.
Probably. They got it. Theirs is gated. You got to have a thing to get through the gate. And we wouldn't have even probably been able to. Yeah. God, I hope it doesn't come up. We're not far. We are about 1, 2, 3, 4, what, maybe 5 or 6 feet from this house. That water. What? Here we go again. Here comes some more water. Someone trying to be a hero. Well, not be a hero, but they're trying to save their car.
Go around. You're in the wrong area.
If one of them you better keep moving.
Got it.
Uh-oh.